Okay, so today we will be talking about pre-calculus, particularly about circles. Okay, so this is identifying the error. And nakita ko to sa STEM students page na group. Okay, so let's answer this. Ito kasi naka-step by step to. Napapansin ko sa mga prof ngayon, ganyan din yung way na, may mga questions silang ganito, kumbaga. Na spot the error, spot mo yung error. So yung marami, karamihan, nalilito dito. Step by step kasi to. Okay? So una dyan, and find the center and radius given the general form. Actually, dito naka-general form eh. So kapag sabi natin naka-general form siya, general equation, dapat naka-equate yan to 0. So it should be minus 6 equals 0. So pag ganyan, general form na siya. Okay? So hindi mo siya matatawag na general form unless naka-equate siya to 0. Okay, so ayan. First step, how to convert this into standard form ba? Of course, first and foremost, that is pag group like terms, yeah? Pagsamahin lahat ng may x, so x squared, is minus 2x, plus, ganito kasi ginagawa ko para mag-group talaga sila. Kasi later, sunod na step is to complete the square. So, hiwalay din yan. To complete the square mo yung may variable na x, to complete the square mo rin yung may variable na y. So, and x squared minus 2x, then y squared minus 2y. And yung 6 na constant, sa labas lang siya. Okay? Oh, hindi mahalata. Okay, sa labas lang siya. Sa kabilang side ng equation. Okay? Ganun. Okay, yung constant, laging ilalabas yan. Okay, so sunod is to complete the square. Maalam na kayo sa completing the square. Ito yan. Itong binomial na to, okay, dadagdagan natin iyan ng last term, no? Kung saan, kapag dinagdagan mo siya noon, magiging perfect square trinomial siya. Okay, perfect square trinomial in the form of this. A minus b squared, diba? Or plus man yan. And plus, minus na ng plus, b squared. Ayan. And that is equal to a squared. Ano itong identity na to for sure? Plus 2ab plus b squared. So, ayan. Ito, pag yung binomial, in-square mo, so you will have a perfect square trinomial. Yung tawag dito, square of binomial formula. Okay, kapag in-square mo yung binomial, it will produce a perfect square trinomial. Bakit? Kasi kapag ito, ibabalik mo siya, parang i-undo mo lang yung ginawa mo nung una. Okay? Kukunin mo lang square root ng first term. That is square root ng a squared, that's just a. So yung magiging first term natin sa binomial. And then yung square root ng last term, which is b squared, square root niyan, that's just b. Yun yung last term ng binomial natin. And yung sign ng middle term. Yun yung magiging operation niya. So if minus to, let's say, a minus b quantity squared. So, ang equivalent naman doon ay a squared minus 2ab plus b squared naman siya. Okay, kaya, ayan. Yung perfect square trinomial natin, ay yung middle term niya, sign ng middle term, dyan din magde-depend yung kapag to-convert mo siya as square of binomial. Okay? So, ganun lang. And then, ito. Okay, ito kasi parang ito pa lang yan. A squared plus 2ab. Okay? Ganyan pa lang yung form niya. So, paano mo makuha si b squared? Anong gagawin mo kay 2ab? Bahin natin ng kulay. Ayun. Ay, pangit din. Ito. Ayan, yellow. 2ab. Okay, unang gagawin mo is, para makuha mo yung b squared ha, is, di ba yung a pala dyan? Yung a dyan, ayan yung first term mo, x. So, pwede natin i-disregard siya kasi ayan yung nandito eh. Okay, dito wala siya. Okay, so pwedeng i-disregard natin yan. 2b lang meron. Ayan, 2b. So, paano mo makuha yung b squared? I-half mo muna siya. I-divide mo by 2 para makancel yung 2. That is, diba, 2 over 2, that's just 1. So, ayan. Then, i-square mo. Ayun, para makuha mo yung b squared or yung parang magiging last term niya. So, ganun lang din dito. Okay? Yung x, disregard natin. So, itong coefficient niya, i-half natin. Divide natin by 2, then is square. Kaya magiging 2 divided by 2, this is 1. Then raised to the second power or 1 squared, still 1. Next, itong sunod. Okay? Halos same sila. Same lang sila. Same din sila ng sign. Variable ang pinagkaiba. So, magiging y squared. Copyhin lang natin to. Minus 2y. Then, same lang din dito, di ba? Kung i-half mo to, then is-square mo. Actually, kahit di mo na isama tong negative to. Negative sa negative to rather. Kasi, i-square mo pa rin naman yan, di ba? So, negative, pag in-square mo, will be positive na. So, kahit dito, kapag i-half mo, disregard mo yung negative sign kasi magiging square pa rin naman yan sa huli. Okay, ayun yung proof. Tapos a perfect square trinomial. Okay, kapag in-square mo yung binomial, always positive yung last term or yung b squared. So, ayan. So, plus 1 dapat to. So, ayan, figure out na yung mali, no? Ayan. So, ito, x squared minus 2x. Ito muna, tama ba? X squared minus 2x plus y squared minus 2y. Okay? Na next is yung completing the square. Ayan. So, x squared minus 2x plus 1 plus y squared minus 2y minus 1. Bakit naging minus yan? It can't be. So, positive yan. Now, may kulang pa tayo dito sa ibahin ko na lang ng kulay. Red na lang. And dito sa right-hand side, again, kung anong in-add mo rito, okay, i-add mo rin sa kabila for the sake of equality. Diba? So, 6 yan kanina pa yan dyan. Since nagdagdag tayo ng 1 dito, add din natin si 1. Then, add din yung 1. Okay, so, pero minsan kasi may coefficient ka rito. So, need mo rin yung i-multiply. Kumbaga, dapat 1 times 1 to, kasi may 1 pa sa labas. Then, ito, 1 times 1 din. Okay? Kasi minsan, hindi 1 yung laging nandyan. Minsan, may variable pa yan. Diba? May multiplier pa tayo, aside from 1. So, pwedeng 2, 3, any other constants. So, kaya, i-multiply din natin yun. Kasi, pag dinistribute mo kasi yun, madidistribute din siya sa bawat isa, di ba? Okay, kaya yung last term, 5 times that. So, yun din dapat yung idadagdag mo sa right side. Okay, huwag kalilimutan yun. Kaya pinakita ko siyang ganyan. Kasi baka i-assume nyo na lang kasi pag di natuwan, okay, parang ito lang idadagdag nyo. Pansin ko, ayun yung madalas na mali. Kaya based sa nakikita ko. Ayan. So next, ayan, plus 1 din yan. Wala na, kung mali na rito, edi mali na rin yung susunod for sure. Ayan. So dapat, magiging, ayan, di ba? So ito is in the form of this na. Ayan, yung buo yung buo na. Okay? So, i-convert natin siya as ganito. Okay? So, ngayon sabi ko kanina, get the square root of the first term lang. Square root ng x squared, that's just x. Copy the sign of the middle term, minus, then get the square root of the last term. Yeah, square root of 1, that's 1. Then, square sa dulo, sa itaas. Okay? Plus, ganun din gagawin sa kabila. Get the square root of the first term, copy the sign of the middle term, get the square root of the last term. Squared equals 6 plus 1 plus 1, that's 8. Yeah? So, ibig sabihin, ang center natin, kasi diba, this is in the form of, naalala niyo pa yung standard form ng circle, x minus h quantity squared plus y minus k quantity squared equals r squared. Yeah? Now, ang gagawin natin dyan is, ayan, parang tapat-tapat method lang. Okay, yung 1 nakatapat siya sa h. Okay, so minus din naman to minus. So, dapat parehas din sila ng sign. Minus 1, so minus h, ibig sabihin h equals, it turns out that h is, h kama k kasi yung center natin. Okay, so yung h natin ay 1. Then yung k natin ay 1 din. Kasi minus 1, minus k. So, ayan yung center, coordinates na center. What about the radius? Diba, r squared is 8. So, ibig sabihin, yung r is just the square root of 8. Apply square root on both sides. Yeah, so r is nothing but square root of 8. Diba, pwede natin siyang i-treat as square root of 4 times square root of 2. Because the square root of 4 is a 4 is a perfect square, diba? So square root of 4 is 2. 2 square root of 2. And that should be the answer. Hindi ganito. Radius. And that's it. Hope you learned something. Ayun, may mali. Isin natin. Sagot ko, -1, square root should be 8. Okay. Yeah. So it should be 2 square root of 2. And that's it.